I see people whole body, them whole pussy and body out of the door. Yes! We're going to Jamaica! And the entrance is completely black. More I saw if you tell me which part of them something I go. This is everything we get today. Them look comfortable. Okay. That one here alone for $60 and the 3-piece on Amazon is for like $120, $130. Every year I go to Jamaica to give me Air Force, but I give it that one now. This is what we got going on right now. Yo! Y'all would really think me make this shit up. How cute this is! And I got this sneakers, blue. 2 bags. We got stuff for the boys. Over the outlet, them have the sweatsuit them for like $20. Just watch on the face. Look on the face. On the see the title. I'm gonna just say, yes! We're going to Jamaica! I'll just be like, yeah, let me click. So my face, I'm gonna tell you something. Y'all asked for it and I'm giving it to you guys, okay? When I ask for Jamaica, I'm going to Jamaica. And listen, when I ask for it, not free. It not free. Y'all about to run me in bankruptcy, okay? Listen, all me asking for do is like the video, comment on the video, share the video, tell the people about the video. Alright? So we can make some money. We need to make some money. Yes, but anyway, my cutie patooties, we are going to Jamaica. I know you guys are excited, but I'm even more excited because I don't know, I'm so happy when I'm home. I'm so happy. Look at my face. Look on my face. It look swollen, right? It looks like I'm retaining fluid in my face. I think it's because I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping, guys. Hold on, my phone ring. Who you be now? Who you be? Oh, Scooby. But anyway, I think it's because I'm not sleeping. So my face just puffy right now. I have to go do all them ice bath there. Probably have to do 4 or 4 morning straight and try to see if we can. I don't know. But yeah. But anyway, not time for that. Not that time. But yeah, let me say, me ask you for please like the vlog. Just like it free. Like the vlog. Hype the vlog. If you're not depend on the mobile phone, hype up the vlog. We're gonna get 3 like up, 3 hype. We're gonna get 3 hype for the week. Okay, I want all 3 of them. Thank you very much. I want all 3. I'm very selfish. I'm not share with that summer, yeah. Alright? We're gonna be in Jamaica for 1 month. For the entire August. We're at Jamaica for. Alright, so yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna do today is I have some woolly jeans what I need to carry. Boy, may I tell you, look on the ground already. But just do a unboxing now, look here. Look at that. More for unbox again, but I have some woolly jeans where I buy and it's like them too baggy, them not fit right. Like this. I buy this last year and I love it so much and for some reason it just won't fit right, you know? So I call the seamstress, what them call them. So this is one of them. And she said we must carry them come 4 o'clock today. So I have a few of them. When I know I go carry go Jamaica because I don't think them something have cheap for do, you know. I think the white pants here too. Like I think it's too, I don't know if the waist them too big. Most of them is the waist. Most of them the whole of my panty are show. I'm not too like that. Yeah, this too. See, them still have a tag on them because I know I'm not send back the jeans that I get from Fashion Over. I feel like I want to carry go take in the waist of them. The waist of them too big, man. Too big. I don't think I want to carry more 5 jeans around there, you know. This, the waist side definitely too broad. I'll carry that one, yeah. The Someone I knew and let me just get from Fashion Over. I like it, but the waist too big. I like baggy jeans. I like when my jeans them have room, you know? So you can get like a tiny top and then your jeans kinda cute. Love this too, but need a little bit of techie, not a lot, just a little bit. Let me just have that one here fit. I don't need to do nothing to this. That's how much weight I gain. Because this used to can button. I know this button there. So you know your girl waist I get broad. Yeah man, I have to go stop. I buy this about 3 size up. But not 3X. It's supposed to be like a little, it's supposed to be a baggy beat, but or fit, whatever. It's too baggy. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think that should be good because I don't want too much jeans. Excuse me, say I want to buy one suitcase, but I just don't want to spend the unnecessary money. The black suitcase definitely can't travel with again because as you can see it even stand up right. I need to throw this outside. And then I go end up by the bag here. And the bag here, I love it, it's big, but the color no. It matches this a t-shirt suitcase and but only one. Who buy one suitcase? But this is only one. So me that carry this. Cause t-shirt not gonna be big and dirty, man. It's so big, yeah. I was thinking about taking this because I know this is the one I get from TikTok. But me just not like if one time I travel with it and the whole light look like this. So I'm like if me go one more time what will happen? So I'm not really too like this. But anyway, I'm going to go fresh and get ready. Ladies, some carry them come get at 4 o'clock. So we about to do that right now, alright? I'm soon picking up back. Alright, cuties, we are ready. We got a cute little baby doll situation going on. Slippers, Shein, dress, Shein, bag, what they call that place? Burlington. Yeah, cute. And we got our jeans them over here, so in a one. What a vibrating, why? In a one grocery bag, looking very cheap, very broke, very ghetto. Yeah, but that's okay, that's alright, okay? You gotta be ghetto sometimes. Yeah, anyway, we need to go because it's like 10 minutes to 4 and ladies reach 4 o'clock. Alright, so me just looked down on my toe a while ago and it is disgusting. Toenail them broke, the two of them. The two big toe of them broke off. Oh my god, it is so hot and it's been raining. Like, it's been raining so hard. I don't know all the time so hot. Hi. How you doing? I'm good, thanks. Alright, one mission down. Ow, so much more to go. When me say hot in the woman house, hot like a fire. But it's not bad. I think she don't charge me like 20. Maybe I count it as $20 for one jeans, but she count it as $15 for one jeans. I don't know if that's expensive, but that is not bad. Not bad. When I left Walmart, I call you. Cuties. We reach a Walmart and my dress so short. I don't know where them short clothes here daytime. It a bother me. It a bother me. I forgot all it like this. And the breeze a blow too, you know. Breeze a blow and guess what? I have no tight, so that's why I just hold this down right through. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to Walmart to pick up lotion. I think that's it. I think I just lotion a little more, but you know Walmart already. Yeah. No, I just remember the little inside top them for Zoe and Emma River School. Hopefully them not raise it because of summertime. These are not bad, but $5? No. The money of 4. I'm on nobody there. You know them not gonna raise them up because of summer, you know. I knew they were gonna do that. But now just try and grab somebody who want them for $3. What is this? Small. I want them to just take all black. Ooh, extra small should be good for Emma. 4 extra small for Emma. I'm gonna get 4 medium for Zoe. Yeah, that's that. Oh my god. What is so special about this? Why them have it all locked up? Everything else wide open. Everything else is more expensive, you know. Wide open out here, except for these. Like, what's going on? And why are only 2 today? I'm not even. You can't even smell it. Like, what the hell? Alright, kids, we're finished. We're gonna head home. Tanya said she don't me other way from me. We don't know why. And then Daniel called me and asked me today. He not usually work on Monday.
Exit the parking lot toward Flatbush Avenue.
20 minutes forgot me yard is crazy. It's crazy. Like, me literally have to go learn to drive on the highway. This can't work. No, sir. It's probably like 6 minutes to go home from Walmart to my house, you know. I know it's saying 20 because of back road. But it's whatever. I'm gonna pick you guys up if we decide we're doing anything, okay? Alright. Love y'all. Like the vlog. Like the vlog, please. Let me say it nicer. Please, cuties, newbies, like the vlog. Alright? Bye. The way you feel my labor, right?
Show up.
One who?
One portion.
One portion of green.
One.
In a green. Portion of your green, my dear.
No, one portion. I don't care.
Portion.
I want him to vote in my life. And I want portion was in.
We never vote yet.
So that
I love a woman power.
Put in a car.
Put in a car somewhere.
I'm going to throw it in the box, right?
Yeah, yeah, but hear that. You smell nice though. You look like somebody baby mother. Tanya look like somebody baby mother, guys. If she ever come in here, come tell me some car don't you see? One more buckle down the ground. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Before me leave here, I will clean my car. Chris, and cover it up nicely. And give me what I want I can carry one. Just in case emergency and them have to move it. Yeah, man, because the car is a mess. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so bad, and that is not me, guys. That is not me. That's not my style. I promise you that is not my style. I don't know what kind of old house I tumble on for me. Don't talk. You see me, I tell them say them style and not my style. I know me not
What's style?
I don't know.
How the blood come and come take up them nasty
no, me not.
them Yankee.
I told me not go nowhere. I told me not go nowhere.
See, just take up the rubbish heap. You can't nobody in the car. That's what I'm me. See, I'm going to the rubbish heap side.
Come in the car.
What's that? How much not in my life say yet?
Tanya, I don't understand. Boy, I don't know. Come. But the rest of the car clean though.
So why over here Ron is supposed to stay on your saw?
Oh, Ron is your man.
That's why Ron is supposed to stay on. I would mean I can't nobody in my car not so I swear.
One little bag and the things then could have eat up. I don't know what kind of carelessness that.
Past carelessness them are Yankee dirty. Sure. My Yankee girl and nasty. You look in a cigarette, you did smoke cigarette box that in here wally.
Where been so far?
Listen, cuties, I don't know what it is. Look here. Look here. Tell me no cuties.
The cuties them no say me no nasty. Me don't know what kind of
stress.
I don't know why not tell it. Me don't know what. Me just you see funny people them fuck with my membership.
You don't care.
It's like we can't find a way to wash the car and tell us about that. Too far, man.
Oh, too far.
Say, hey, cuties.
Hey, cuties.
Ah.
Oh, this other. Oh, Telsa.
Tell me what name?
Oh, it's not Telsa, huh?
It's not Telsa. Telsa?
I thought it was Telsa.
It's Tesla.
Tesla.
Yeah.
Look here, what is that from my love?
Pushing the back part. Yeah.
Thank you.
Tanya said, if this is Telsa.
Tesla. I call it
Tesla.
Tesla.
I'm like, yo.
Nah, I like the name Telsa.
Yeah, Telsa.
Yeah.
Tesla is common. Telsa.
Yeah. Well, this is a Telsa.
Yeah,
It
this
is-
a Telsa.
it is a weird-
Today, this is a Telsa.
Everybody
A
else
brand
is shit.
named Telsa.
Those are Teslas.
Right.
We have a Telsa.
Oh, can we go on the? We can go outside, right?
Look at you in your cute little dress. You didn't do a spin for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
360.
Tequila and water. We got the Hennessy and something and Hennessy and something here too. And we got 3 shots off tequila, right? Yeah, we better fuck it up. To a safe flight to Jamaica. Good morning, my beautiful people. What's up? It's the next day, and I leave the camera in the car last night. So right now it up on red. It's a dead. Yeah. So basically I'm at Kapaka right now. So I'm gonna try going to Kapaka to see if I can get.
Burlington is on the left.
And at Burlington, we'll see if we can get 2 of them, the small one and the medium one. And we can get for like $100, then that would not be bad, you know what I mean? Yeah. One day somebody sign up my number for get spam call. How we can get them, so I don't really understand. I wonder if the parking is handicap because it empty. Look here, oh no, it doesn't. I'm not able to come out on my car today. Something for chat. Let's go see what I want this. So. What do you guys think? This is cute. I know we're here for suitcase, so we're just gonna browse a little bit. But I like this. I like this. This is nice. Yeah. Birdie is obsessed. This can't even go up on my nose. Oh, wait there. Birdie is obsessed. Look at this. It can't even go up on my nose. It's nasty. But Birdie love them big ugly glasses, yeah? But I want my nana nose, Birdie. What kind of sign? I remember my new favorite glasses. I found it in gold. But do I want it? I don't think I do. Because it just looks like the same thing, right? Yeah, I don't think so. Guys, I don't know what kind of stamp passed through our Burlington, but the back section empty. My dear, what happened? So I got one Adidas. Oh, what is Adidas? One Adidas. Them fit so nice. One Champion. Another Champion. This is not my favorite. I don't know, but it's cheap. $10 feet. I used to go. One Puma and one Nike. Yeah. Oh, and do you guys think this bag is manly? I like this. I think Scooby would love this bag, but I'm finding that woman section, but it looked very manly to me. What do you think? Can never have too much fun. This is big. We're getting these. These look like Zoe would love them for school. I'm forced to go up on Amazon to order it. The only one to see this. And that one here alone for $68. And the 3-piece on Amazon is for like $120, $130. So it's a no. Yeah. To me, if you want to find a new snack to try, come in Burlington and look around. They always have something unique, something different. You know? Yeah. Anyway. This lighting is so pretty. You got me looking fabulous. Anyway, guys, I'm finished with Burlington. Got that down there, and we have this. And I think if I can find the receipt, okay. I think it came up to $206. Yep, 206. So now I want to go. I'm still gonna get the suitcase, and I'm going to Burlington for the suitcase. But I'm gonna try go Old Navy, because the last time I'm going to Old Navy they had this sale, and if they still do, then we can get 2 shot set for my nephew, and we can get two shot set for the boys. I'm like, I'm not shopping, but if they do, then we can grab 2 shot set if them have the sale. If not, then I'll probably grab 2 top for myself, because I want 2 simple top for wear with the jeans them when my carry get altered yesterday. Like on Monday night time, we can't wear them to go drink out. Yeah, because the runner bin I keep, I drink out. Yeah, it's a Monday night drink out. I'm just doing it as a little day river party thing, because the time hot, and I not go out for support a bag of people, so I not expect to keep a dance, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we just go up on the river and chill. Yeah, okay, so let's go to Old Navy. Guys, please like the vlog, okay? Like the vlog. I'm asking you, please like the vlog. Leave me a comment, all the good things there. Let's go to Old Navy. And I'm hungry. Y'all must be saying, bitch, you're always hungry. Girl, bye. My crutch is up on fire. Never know me never walk up and down so much today. Right now that little dress there, now I work out for my leg them. Cuties, everything over here, so is for $2. Okay, $2.99, and the girl said when they go up it's $2. Everything over here, so a $5 no, four and under. Everything over here, so, and also over the woman's section over there, so clearance. What they say? Size of over there kind of big, but I search through and see if I can find them. So cuties, I'm looking at these joggers, right? And I'm like, alright, this look like it would be a good airport fit. But look on the price, $44.99. And check this out. I just got two of the exact same pants in the clearance section for $4 for one. $4, but it's not my size though, but I'm still gonna get them. One of my family members gonna love them. They're too big, so I just grab 2 of them. But I'm just saying, it's $5 for one of them, 4 something for one. And then the one them with up on the regular rack, it's a $44. No, I'm not buy it. That is a big markdown, right? Big, huge markdown. It's probably something somebody carry home and bring back. Because why am I selling so cheap? Why? I don't know. But anyway, I grabbed some stuff in the clearance section. That little 90 set here, I pay $2. $2 fee. This stop right here, $2 too. This stop right here, $2. And then I was thinking that the little shots here would go good with it, and this is $4. And then of course we have the 2 sweatpants then. And I got this little top right here, $2 too. I got this white top, $2. A jeans pants. It says 30% off. I'm not sure how much it's gonna be, but 30% off. And then we get 3 top them. One of them I pay $4, $5, something like that. Yeah, that's it for now. Alright cuties, we are done. We are out of Old Navy now. And I feel like I want to go to Chipotle. Chipotle they're right over this. Can y'all see it? Yeah, I feel like that's what I want to eat. Now I wonder guys if I could just go over the mall and done. I wonder. Oh, I really don't want a next day on the road. That's what I run from. Go get food. A bowl with white rice and black beans. Sweetie? Okay. Alright cuties, we got the food. I think it's time for us to go home because I feel like my leg is chafed. I think I've been walking way too much all day. It's literally night right now. And I never planned for this. So the whole of my leg rub out. Alright, so I have to go and go doctor it. So I'm going home. I'll see y'all maybe when I get home. I don't know. Alright. So cute this from the amount of time I come at Macy's. I'm going to stand up here so I push the life out of the door there. What am I tell you? But anyway, we're in Macy's. I just decided for us to come across the road because it took me 26 minutes to get here. And I'm like, what's the point of driving back 26 minutes and then I have to get up the next day and drive 26 minutes come. And the mall literally across the road from Old Navy. So, I look for my perfume. So, y'all know my 3 top perfumes. Lancôme, Valentino, and Prada. And the trend upon the dunning. Like the Valentino done. I feel like I want to buy the Lancôme today. I only want to buy one though. I can only do one because then Cologne are like $20. And by the way, I see one new purple Valentino. I want to smell that. I want to see what's going on with that. I don't know if I'm late, but I see it. I don't know why I think it's new.
It's newer.
It's newer. Oh, that is it.
It's pretty though.
Oh.
It's pretty though. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Try some on and wear it.
Love it. How much is the small bottle?
I think $165.
For this and the big one?
Big one we don't have in stock. Big one's like $190, but I'm out of it. I only
Okay.
have the little one.
This is so, oh my god, this is up my
pretty.
alley. Sweet.
It's sweet. I love this sweet.
I love it.
Yeah, it's great.
10 out of 10. Oh my god. I want to get this, but I don't know if it makes sense. Because, I mean, $160 for this. And then you have the bigger bottle for $190. But then I have it in stock. It's like nothing more in there. And it's more than half the money. I don't know if... Oh, it smells so good though. Jesus. There's my sugar plum. Cuties, any one of them, man. Without this, that, or that, anyone, sell off. Love that. The one that I try to get though. I got the purple one, of course. Can't let it smells so good. I get a bag with it. I'm gonna get some woolly for sample. So with the Lancôme, I bought the cherry berry, I think it's called. It's the new fragrance. And you get all of this. Kind of need them eye cream, you know. You need the eye cream because my bag them out of control. Look how me I feel walk. I feel walk with my skirt between my tail. Yeah. Alright cuties, we got the goods. Look at this. Got a keychain. So cute. So cute. Cuties. What? See? But let's turn on the camera over show this all night. I would have rode from morning. No, my food smells so. Why? Smells spoiled. Hello, my beautiful people. What's up? I am here in the mall looking like a madman. It's like 3 days later right now, and I am heading to AT&T because my phone is not working. So I'm about to get that fixed, and then I'm gonna go see if I can get me a suitcase, a cheap one. If it's not cheap, I'm gonna roll with the old broke down suitcase. I'm coming out. But I do it. We're not doing it. I got my phone fixed, plus I got me an upgrade, okay? I'm trying to get a case. I love this. This? Yeah, I love this one. Very cool. Yeah, we're heading to Clinton Outlet, and we'll stop to get some gas and smell the chicken. So, it smells so good. So I'm like, go try a piece of chicken. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh. Anyway, see, look a place, yeah? Never look cleaner, nothing about the chicken smell good. So we're gonna see what I'm going. Hopefully, wish for the chicken they look clean. You know what I mean?
Not too long.
Not too long. Them said 3 minutes, but I like, oh, feather they like chicken them. I don't like that. I like feather chicken. But it smells good, yes, guys. It really do smell good, but I just know say the feather go upset me. I don't like see that. Yeah. Alright.
I know you eat with the eyes.
You know, right? I'm in nose. That's why I'm running there. It smells good. It smells good though, don't it? It smells good. Anyway, yeah. So we get a salad, and Kemar get one chicken sandwich. Why the camera not turn on? Hey. Anyway, cuties, we're here. We are here. We'll check out Puma. We'll see what Puma offer. Cuties, oh, this pretty man. Do you see this light? Oh, so cute. Anyway, we just leave Puma, and we got 2 bags. We got stuff for the boys. We got this bag right here, and we got this one. So yeah, I try to get a sweatpants, but you see through my towel, the sweatpants them I catch me 3/4. I don't like that. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. How we are going next? Nike? Alright, we're going to Nike and see what's up over there. So Puma have one big sale. I don't know how the sale. Well, that's something I always did though. Over the outlet, them have the sweatsuit them for like $20. The shirt them for like $10. And stuff like that, so that's why I was able to grab some stuff for the man. Anyways, we're home. I'm gonna do a quick haul of the stuff them that we got today, since we never get for sure no. I'll do a real quick haul. This is everything what we get today. So I'm going to the clearance section. I don't know me, I love the clearance section. I got 2 Puma shirts from my brother. This one, black, when can wear it anything, and then I get a red one. And I also got a red sneakers. I'm showing you that. And then I get him a what is this? Army green sweatpants. Real cute. They had them for like 19 something, so $20. And then we get the full suit. And I got these. Them look comfortable, cute, and they were on sale for like $40 something. 40 something, yeah. So I got this to wear with the red shirt. I know my cousin Andrew. I got him this sneakers. I love the blue. So I got this, and I got a shirt to go with it. I don't buy the pants nor nothing, just this alone. For my Uncle Omar, I got this. Y'all can't even see. The light is so weird. So I basically get 3 sneakers for like 150 plus tax, you know. And then I get the shirt to go with it. And that's that. You know, I gave me Air Force last year. Every year I go to Jamaica, I give me Air Force. But now I give it that one now. It'll come back with me. So yeah, cute. And then I got this sneakers, blue, cute. This me get this from in a Puma. This was on sale too. Cute, cute are my favorite word. Everything cute, yeah, I know. They'll be like, Kayan, a cute alone, you know? Yes. I got some Nike socks. They were on sale for $10 for 3 of them, $9.99. I was trying to get one Nike slipper, but a size 8 them stopper and the 8 exact, so I couldn't get that. I get the Nike sweatpants here for myself. It's a sweatsuit. This is like a crop top sweater. I'm going to be like, oh, can't Jamaica, but I got Nike sports bra. So I'm reaching Jamaica, I can just back this off. You know what I mean? Yeah. Comfortable look at airport fit. And that is it. That's all we got today. I'm gonna shower, edit, and then move sooner tomorrow. Okay? Love you guys. Don't forget to like the vlog, please. Alright? Thank you guys. Bye. What's up, beautiful people? Good night. It is the next day. Well, it's the next night because it's now like after 12. I'm waiting on a vlog to export. I hate that window. It's like that door. It's like something you look at it. It looks like somebody's just standing there. And I usually have a curtain thing there, but for some reason I took it down, wash it, never put it back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. But anyway, may wait for one vlog for export because I'm currently trying to just get all the vlogs that edit and schedule, so I don't have that to worry about Monday. You know? Yeah. So I went on the road this morning. By the way, this is what my closet is looking like. Like the entrance is completely black. More somebody to tell me which part of them something I go. Like where am I go parking at? Like what the hell is going on here? And that's not even all. Like clearly this is the haul that I did. The stuff is still out here because I'm taking some with me. And some of the other things I will buy yesterday. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know. But back to this. I went on the road this morning. I never carrying it because I am really trying to not make the vlog too long. But I just know it'll go long anyway. I just know it will be. But I was asking for watch it, like it, and watch it to the end, you know, because I don't know how to make short vlog. But anyway, I went on the mall this morning and I got the slippers that I wanted. It is so cute. I love it. Yeah. So shoes down. And I got a suitcase. Suitcase them in a Macy's expensive. Them expensive. But this is the one I got. That's the one I got. And I'm telling you already, I don't like suitcase that open up in the middle. Yeah, so I paid, I think it came up to $200 for the complete set. And I'm actually going to clearance. In a clearance, you know. And still come up to $200. In the next section, one little one is for $200. In the upstairs part, them actually sell suitcase only. One of the little one alone for $200. And I will invest in one day because I'm traveling a lot more for my vlog. Not only to Jamaica, like I'm going to be doing a lot. I'm traveling more, so it's better me just invest in one good suitcase. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, anyway, I could just do whatever, some little stuff will come. Because I want to see it, and if me look on it, I want to show, no? So, yeah, we're going to check those out. This is the vlog that I'm currently exporting. It is now at 11%. That will take forever. Crazy. But I can't do nothing else with the tablet until the vlog don't export. Cuties, I have 2 brand deals. I have this one. And I haven't filmed this one yet. Clearly, it's still in a box. And I have one that I've vlogged already. I just didn't edit it yet. And that's the one I'm going to edit tonight. I'm going to stay up all night and edit that so we can get that for go Monday. But not even sit down because if I sit down, I'm going to move slow. But we have something from Amazon. For some reason, I know some don't get through with me S26 Ultra. So I did order just a very simple case suite. So my cuties was telling me that I should try this skincare, but I was using another one and it just finished, and I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna be traveling, so I'm just gonna get the traveling kit and see how much it works. Because if it work in a Jamaica heat and all the humidity and everything down there so and the sun, it will be a game changer. Okay, so this is La Roche-Posay. I hope I'm not saying that wrong. Well, I know I'm saying it wrong. But La Roche-Posay or something like that. Whatever. It's right here. I finally got it. Here, I will let you guys know how it works out. Okay, thank you guys so much. So much focus, Ada. What you telling me? This one got a little water thing in the back. It's so pretty. Of course, on the light, if you don't like them, all of them something here are in an Amazon storefront. And the link from Amazon storefront is in the description. Okay. Remember, so I'm going what they call it? 5 and below, and got this for my sister. She said she want a tripod, a stick, because I know her phone always on a tripod and she always going live. So I'm like, let me run go to 5 and below because somebody told me them have a good tripod in there. And I went and I got this, and I'm home and everything opened up and it seems to be fine in every other way, but me can't open the foot tight. I can't seem to open the foot. Nothing when I do it now, spread it legs. So I had to order one from Amazon, which is even a better one because it comes with selfie lights and the stick very long. Yeah, selfie stick. Me couldn't know if it work, and again, Amazon storefront. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you guys purchase the stuff from me, from my Amazon storefront, I make a little money off it. Okay, so anything you want to see me with, that come from Amazon, just let me know. If I didn't add it, then I will add it, and then if you guys purchase it from my storefront, then you help out your girl a little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, like that bag that you guys love so much, the traveling bag that is in my Amazon storefront. Don't go on Amazon and buy it without my store. Okay, all right. So this is sunscreen. This is the one I use on my face. It is very good. It helped me a lot with my acne. Not every sunscreen is good for acne prone skin. Some of them full of oil, full of all type of scent, all type of something when not good for your acne. So this is the one that I use, and it seems to work very good over the years. So I'm gonna stick with it for my face, and then I get anything for my body. Yeah, my liquid chlorophyll, y'all know I ain't going nowhere without this. This keep me loose. Let's just say that. Oh my god, I think we got some stuff from Shein. These are shoes, so I'm gonna see them inside the water shoes. Them supposed to go by my mother tomorrow. Go pick up my niece school things. Them, if you don't know, me have 3 nieces. I shop for 2 and my mom shop for 1. So I'm supposed to go by my mother, go pick them up. I'm gonna go pick up them there and pack all school things before anything else. But just gonna open one of them still. These ain't as cute as mine, but they cute. Still thick. Yeah. So it's all white because y'all know for my drink out, I'm trying to get all of us in white. Everybody in a white. So I buy white for everybody. It was very cheap. Very cheap. I think like $5 or something like that. I don't remember who the suit then belonged to. I'm just gonna have to look at the cute little shirt, some button, the light material nice. Can you guys see? And this is white, but these are lip glosses. I don't know, my dear. What do you think? Can you guys see it? Yeah. But try and make sure I get everybody like a different style. So this one is button down, and it got some little pattern on it. It's more of a big man vibe, but it's definitely giving small. So it's probably my nephew or Jaruki. So yeah, we got the shorts. Cute, see? Bird enough. And so she want full bath suit too. It have this little ruche detail going on. Where you know this will more give you a little comfort when if you have like a tummy area. Well, if you have like a big belly. If your belly big. Jesus Christ. If your belly big. Oh shit, don't mess it up. Jesus. Whatcha? Oh my god. Murder she wrote. I know I'm gonna put it down. The way that one is big, it's giving Scooby. But this is nice. This one has this see-through thing going on. Can you see that? And it also has a thing at the bottom, like a little inside piece. Hey, the material that thick your ferg. This is also button up. Nice, nice. This is so heavy. Oh, end up order box some 90. Order box 2. These are so pretty, right? This is blue, by the way. Blue and yellow. Kind of look green, but it's blue and yellow and blue. They got the top. Nice. This is nice, 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 nice. Oh, we'll find one more shot set. I think that is it. I think it's just 4 shot set. And this is another button up. I'm trying to make the man them look like them there on the island, you know, on like a vacation. This is nice. This is thin, but it's not thin bad. You know, it's thin but good for the hot time. I'm gonna put these down because everything I touch my lip. Watch it again. Like, what the hell, Kayante? Let me take this off of my mouth. So I'm not gonna unpack anything else. I think you guys saw everything that I bought at the mall. This is just stuff for my hygiene care, and I think I'm showing all the things I'm gonna get. I get some more 90. This I want 3-piece. 3-piece, which means it's 2 set a night. Get one look a granny 90. It's so cute. It look comfy. We get marina and white tea for the boys. I will have one more 90. 3-piece, so you know, 2.90 that. In here, so we'll have some little snacks. But yeah, toodles. I'll see you tomorrow. When I get up, tomorrow is my eye appointment. So I'm gonna get my eyelash done. I'm trying to change my nail appointment to tomorrow, because tomorrow is my eye appointment and only that alone. And then Monday is my ear appointment and my nails appointment, which is very stupid because here is probably going to take too long and then I'm going to miss my nail appointment. So I'm trying to switch it up, but I know for sure tomorrow I'm going to get my eyelash done, my eye do, and then I'm going to wash my car. I'll wash my car and cover it before I leave yet. I'm dead serious. Yeah, man. Crazy. Fearless man. Alright, cuties. Love y'all. Later. Alright, cuties. I think I am done with back to school now. Done with that. So we got a lot of stuff today again. We have 2 more bags. 2 more bags out of Burlington. But the good thing is we'll get the bags them for the rest of kids them. They're so cute. So freaking adorable though. So nice. These are for the younger ones. And then we get panty and stuff like that for my niece and the little baby girl them, my cousin them. And then we got slippers for the boys them. Oh, and I got a headphone. I saw this on sale and I'm like, oh, I want it so bad. My white one at work, but it's dirty up, so I'm gonna grab one new one. Yeah. And I got slippers for my nephew. Let me get one for Scooby too. It's like a different. Oh, I'm gonna get school shoes, but more look at find. More look at find one school shoes, and I don't even know if they will fit her. But more only can find one for the little baby them. Only one of those. And I got a whole bunch of snacks, but I feel like them are just too heavy. I feel like them are just make me suitcase. Let me get one for my nephew. My brother now wears slippers, guys. I don't know my brother have 1 foot, so I'm gonna wear them something. Got 2 buckle for the 2 little one them carry to school. Got purses for Emma and Zoe. They literally just called me and tell me about them purse then. I'm gonna get 2 buckle for me and Birdie. I don't got them all repick up. Should I? Feel like I don't want to run with the ear. Because probably a morning with a time for the ear. Probably when a time for the ear a morning the place on the clothes. It never open yet. I feel like I want to go get my... You know what? I'm going to go to the mall. No, I don't got the mall really quick.
I'm sure he noticed my head.
Thank you.
Open the lock.
You
My
got a
hands
chicken
were
sandwich?
shaking horribly, so it took me a few tries. Summer evening, it sounds just like a song. I want more bears, and that summer feeling, it's so wonderful and warm.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once.
Yo, my hot like fire. Hot. This is what we got going on right now. Everything right just off a pack. We got my stuff over here, my bras, and my essential stuff. Then that is so well, not everything. And down here so too. So basically we have like everything organized, and then now we're just gonna have to figure out where the hell we're gonna put them. This is the best I can do for tonight. We have one bag of garbage over here, so tags and all that shit. And then I have a few things in the closet. At them, I go walk with them. My bag and my slippers, I go walk with them there too. Most of the rest of things I'm not too sure about them. These I want to bring them for my cousin, but if they can't hold them, we're gonna wait until December when Barda pack. That is it. And then me have my makeup them for pack. So yeah, that's it for tonight. I am going to take a shower, edit, and try to get some sleep, because remember, my ear am morning, my eye am morning, whatever else we got to do tomorrow. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Good morning, my beautiful people. Today is the day before my flight. I'm not running to get the hair and the stuff them like that to get my hair done. My car is a mess. Oh my god. Can you have to make some time for the car, man? Jesus. I keep the cup here because I know I could not cup today. I know I go want ice. I know we're not buying a cup. But more could water. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just like put a few drops in this. Guys, my phone came. Guess what? Remember the friggin' phone case I'm buying at the mall for $38? Can't find it. Can't find it nowhere at all. The whole bag, unpack every bag last night. I know me can't find the phone case nowhere. Which one do the cover? Can't find the phone case. Me I wonder, but ask camera for looking at him car. He said it's not in there. $38. I just want my phone case and I can't find it. But me so upset for morning about the situation. I just go But do it when I do it right now. I can't even talk about it. I can't even talk about it right now.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yalla, you know what? Pay for your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, back up your pass some money. Girl, your boom boom good on your face. Everything you need.
Alright, cuties, I'm finished, but I'll talk to you guys in a minute about it. Right now, me have to run go home because for some reason my video is not saving. Like, what is happening here? I don't know. Keep on the table, an error occur. For what? This is so frustrating. I may not have no time. I just not have no time, and me never lie me ear. So that pisses me off. Cuties, while I'm sitting here waiting on my Uber, because yeah, I had to take an Uber out here because it's in Manchester. I don't know, I'm gonna drive on the highway. So much, I tell you, when one thing, when them say everything can go wrong, it's not a lie. Everything is just going real bad. But not even everything, it's just one main thing. One main thing. And I know the video will be way too long already for me explain all of that. But the whole breakdown is I got a strike on YouTube. So even the video I'm not gonna see it until freaking maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks later. Because my video was supposed to go live today with me and Tisha cook. And remember me showing when me leave the hairdresser, the video just now post. The shots now post. So I rush show go up on the computer and get to understand say the Sheen Hall that been up for 4 days now. It's been there for 4 days and now they're gonna strike it because in the brown dress I'm up on me and say I love this dress or this dress is cute. When I too close up in the camera, my chest I show now, not my breast, my chest I show, and them strike it as a sexual content, nudity, whatever. Anyway, them strike it, and because me no setting them make no sense, I'm like, you know what, appeal it because you must not look good because clearly it's a haul. People are out here doing hauls every day and I'm not seeing them getting strike. Like, oh, I have been getting these things left, right and center. When I'm telling me say I'm just tired of it, I'm just really tired of it. It's give up, but not like to me because I don't know what I do to that up here. Why it no matter what me in, I know my body not bigger than everybody else's body. I know I'm not shape more than anybody else. I don't get it why I see big content creators doing these things and they're the one that we're following, right? We're like, okay, you do it, it worked for you, I'm just gonna try, I'm gonna follow it. It's a haul. You're telling me I can't put on my clothes on a haul? Every beach video when I do me get flag. Almost every beach video that I do, no matter how I wrap up myself, me get flag. You understand me? The other day I put up the video with me and my friend at the beach, it get flagged 24 hours later. One little party night, you know, see I'm cover up? One little party night. The people them say it's strike, it's sexual nudity. I delete it. I delete the part where them say delete, and the video end up go back up. Them release it. Them say fine, you fix it, release it, fine. So how come now I put up a Sheen haul? It's clearly I'm trying on clothes. It clearly says that. I'm telling you to say. And then my ear done anyway. 10:31. Them say I go off to fix it, and them say there's one strike out of 3. This time me get to it for 1 week. Anytime me get 3 strike, it's like a no. I don't know what the rule is for 3 strike because to all me upset me never too dig down in what's going on because I'm so busy. I'm back and forth. I'm missing all my friggin' appointment. Them everything late. Me reach at this one 2 hours late. A good thing at Tisha friend. Me reach my ear appointment late too because I was trying to make sure the vlog go live today. And the fucked up thing is I've been promoting the vlog all day, so now I know my cuties are looking out for it. And no, there's no way for me to tell you guys that the video cannot go, because I'm gonna get banned from my YouTube channel completely. Like, I can't do community post, shorts, live, nothing. I can't do nothing for a whole week. So whenever you want to see this video, if you've been wondering, I am so sorry. I am gonna try post something on TikTok, but I know not all of my cuties are on TikTok, so just know I'm really sorry, and there's absolutely nothing I can do about it. Nothing. Right now I feel so bad, not only because I have the video then, but I know I look forward for the video then. I know that, and I'm trying to stay consistent, and the video upload 3 days now, you know, because I plan to post it Saturday. 3 days now the video upload, and they go through all the things and wait for go through everything, and you tell me send it's whatever, because I'm gonna let it go, because I'm leaving tomorrow, and because of that I can't focus, I can't stay focused, and I can't get free do what I have to do. So I'm just gonna let it go, continue vlog, and then, you know, when them release me, I fix whatever I need to fix, and then I just have to just try my best to be careful after that, because it's completely bullshit at this point. I'm telling you, it's bullshit. And then I'm not going to talk about it in a separate vlog. I really have to go into some heads up of what I go through, because I'm not talk about it, but it's rough. It's really rough trying to do this YouTube thing, and I don't understand why me. Why my body? Because it's the only thing where I upset the whole freaking thing. Every single video I post, my body this, my body that, my body, I get dressed, I show one little dress that I have on, and I get striped because the freaking dress have a little split yourself. I'm see people whole body, them whole pussy and body out the door on fucking YouTube. Excuse me language. This is why I never want to talk about it, because I know I am so upset. I'm so upset. I know me and big people here, I'm respectful now. I don't want it. Let's not talk about it. But anyway, the hair, the eyes are looking lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is actually my first time doing this thing, whatever you want to call it. I love them. This one is a little irritated right now. It's like, it's a little irritating, so I'm watching that. But the hair, no, I am not a big fan of the hair, because I'm seeing too much braids. I'm seeing too many braids. I don't like that. I need to see more of this, you know, so it look like more of a, I don't know how to explain it, but I want to see more hair than braids. And I'm seeing, and the part here, I don't like this either. I don't want to see all this, so I'm gonna go to the ear store and grab a hair and try to crush some ear between it, in it, out it. I don't know how it's gonna do, but yeah. I know me up on Uber. I don't even know how far the damn Uber there, but I'm gonna check that, and then I'll pick them up back. I'll probably pick them up and reach them. Alright, okay. Alright, cutie, so I just went to the ear store and I got a pack of this. I just got this because I don't have my time for waste and look for nothing. She told me to get the crochet one, but all me I look, me can't find a crochet one with match. The crochet one with match, I'm in on the time. So I'm just get back one of these. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but I'm gonna figure it out when we get home. And I'm heading to the dressmaker now to pick up my jeans them. From 3 o'clock ladies to come. It's now 8:30. When I eat from man, I feel like that's part of the reason why I'm so like irritated too. Beside them shutting down my YouTube, that just make it worse. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, everything in one. So I'm gonna grab them jeans here, and then I'm just gonna go home and pack, because my nails get knocked for tonight. I'm gonna get up early in the morning, and I take a sleeping pill tonight. When I done pack, I'm gonna take a sleeping pill. But the mere fact that I don't even have to finish editing tonight. And you know what, rough guys, I have a promotion. I have a promotion that has a deadline, and Thursday the promotion is supposed to go live Thursday, and that's what I was working on last night. And I have another one which I could post on TikTok, but a YouTube we make money from. A YouTube one do it. So all of them that fuck with me for going to send some email to the people and let them know what's going on, so that when I get banned. You know what I mean? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna pick up these jeans, get some food and go in. Go park. I'm picking up back when I done park. Because I cannot imagine how long the video is. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this long drawn out video. Okay, but please watch to the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get in. Cuties, I am home. I just wanted to show you guys my phone. I got some Chinese food. I ate some of that. I get one Guinness because I will sit down and drink a Guinness and calm my brain. But first I will set them phone here for export or whatever they want to call it. So what I did was get an upgrade. I don't know if I explained this before, but I paid $10 a month for an early upgrade. When I got my phone back in December, the 26 wasn't out yet, but I needed a phone, so I got it, and then I paid $10 a month for the early upgrade. So this is the 25 and this is the 26 that came today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them side each other. Y'all know how the exchange thing go. Yeah, y'all know that exchange. I don't know what I'm talking about. No, right now the brain too. Anyway, so this is the pack. Don't watch nails them. How it come packaged like any other phone, yeah. Work that off. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know. I'm trying to like this here, even though I get the pocket here, but I'm gonna buy one. What do you call it? This thing. I'm gonna crochet a little bit through, not a lot. Ooh. I got the white. I really don't see the difference. Yo, I can't believe my last kiss in a man. Oh, can relax. Okay. I can't believe my last kiss. $35. Watch out. Yo, y'all would really think me make this shit up. I swear to God, the case there, which part of freaking camera there, the camera there on top of the case. So, and I'm keeping this camera close. This is the new camera, so may I keep it close because me I try maneuver it, me I try learn it. The freaking case upon. Yo, bro, thank you, God, thank you so much. I couldn't afford to have no case, even though I have some case from Amazon, but this is an expensive case. Anyway, the phone, we're gonna take this off. Nice. Oh, the one thing I love about this one is that they said it came with its own private screen. You know how we have to buy a private screen for this so nobody can see in your phone? Well, you don't have to do that with this one. You just gonna the thing and turn it on. Anyway, I'm just trying to compare. It's the same size. Oh no, the 26 is a little bit big. No, like it's the same size. What do you think? They have a different edge. I want the 26. This one. The camera is a little bit different, and it have like round edges. This is more like straight. Not really, but a bit more straighter than this. But other than that, I don't really see nothing different. Oh, and the storage and the AI stuff there is a lot better on this one. Of course, there's gonna be different, but there's not a lot. But it's whatever. It's now 9 minutes past 10. But yeah, I'm gonna go do this. When we finish, pack everything. That's when I'm picking up back, and then or maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'm not picking up back till tomorrow. I'm going to my nails. Alright. Anyway, good night, cuties. Good morning, my beautiful people. It is the day of departure. Oh, yay! I'm so excited. Alright, guys. I did put some hair up here, but of course I can't see it now because I'm late down. But We'll see it later. It look much better. We're gonna go get our nails done. All right, so let's go. Cuties, let me tell you a real quick story. So, I walk up into the place and the girl is like, so what do you have for me today? Because Truma always carry me my, what you call it? I always carry my design for my phone. So, I show it and she's like, no, I got something better for you. Y'all look at this. Y'all see how cute this is? It's giving polka dot. Polka dot have followed me everywhere we go. And I see that? Yeah, man, polka dot in my future. Nice. I love it though. So cute, so simple. Nice. Love it. Anyway, it's after 9 minutes past 1. I go home, go get ready. So I can reach at airport by 3 o'clock. Alright. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yes, I am. I'm gonna start a whole new fresh vlog. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I'm sorry about everything that's happening. Well, no, it takes so long to get that video. I am so sorry, but there is absolutely nothing I can do about it right now. But I want to just stay tuned. I have a whole heap of good content for you. Whole heap. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you. Bye. See y'all in Jamaica.